Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to break down the Springfield Armory Ronin, and this particular one is in 10 millimeter. Great gun. Okay, so first we're going to unload here. Big chamber, and we are clear. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this slide stop. And we're going to do that by pulling the slide back until this notch matches up with the back here. So we'll get a good grip on here, match it up where I stated, and then push from the back. And pull the slide stop right out, and just let the slide forward. That we have the slide stop pin out, we're going to go ahead and take the barrel bushing out here. Now we have a plug, and if you have a bushing barrel wrench, this will be a lot easier. But essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down on the plug and rotate the barrel bushing to the left. Okay, so I got about halfway there so you can see. Okay, keep rotating. There we go. Now release the tension, pull the plug out here, and then we're going to rotate the barrel back, or the bushing rather, back to the left side at about a 45-degree here, and then it will come out. Okay, there's the barrel bushing. Now the slide will come right off here. Then we have the spring assembly here, and you'll want to push the linkage forward so that it will slide out the barrel here, out the front. Okay, and now the pistol is field strip. Okay, so put it back together, just in the opposite order here. We'll take our barrel, and this is a nice barrel, 5 inches thick. Okay, make sure the linkage is forward before we push it back in here. And then once it's in, we'll pull the linkage back up here. So we need access to that hole. You have these two little feet right here, I like to call, and those will sit on top of the barrel. Now that we have this spring in there, we'll go ahead and slide the slide back onto the frame here. Very carefully. Okay, now let's put that bushing back in here. We'll put the plug in. Now the bushing was to the right at about a 45-degree angle. Once you have it, it'll slide right down. And then again, we'll, in opposite order, we're gonna slide it to the left side. Just like that. Now we can push the plug in. Again, if you have a barrel bushing wrench, this will be easier. Okay, so I have it there, and click into place. Okay, so now we can slide the slide back to the same spot as where when we took out the slide stop. So the small indentation in the back here is lined up with the square, and then I can see the hole, so the linkage that's attached to the barrel is where it needs to be as well. in business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.